We are the heartbeat of America.
Hello, and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to do a video about Italy, and it's about the coronavirus. And across the internet, people have been posting this viral post that says that Italy has done all of these autopsies on patients that have died from the coronavirus. Now, I know that the World Health Organization has asked that people not be autopsied when they pass away from the coronavirus, that they're supposed to just accept the fact that it was the coronavirus and go on with their business. Well, Italy decided not to do that. Italy bucked the chain of command. Italy tested at least 30 that I know of. They autopsied at least 30 patients that I know of and checked lung samples and tissue samples, and they came across what appears to be bacterium, not a virus, but bacterium. And if that is the case, I'm not saying it is, but if that is the case and it is a bacteria and not a virus, bacteria can be treated relatively easily if you treat it as a bacteria. But if you treat it as a virus that we have no idea what it is and we have no idea how to cure it, then it could go on forever and ever and ever, and people will get sick and they'll die, and we'll keep everybody scared. And as soon as Italy came out with this, the World Health Organization and news outlets were saying, "Oh, we did our own fact checking, and and Italy is not right. It's not bacterium, but it is a virus," and all of this stuff. Well, what if it's not a virus? What if it really is a bacterium and they're not telling us that? They're not telling us. You go in to get treated. If I was to come down with symptoms that were similar to the coronavirus, the first thing I would ask when I go to the doctor is, could you treat me for a bacterium? Could you check to see if I have a bacterium and not a virus? Because as soon as they hook you up to whatever it is that causes it to get worse faster, I don't want them to do that. I want them to check for a bacterium. If it's a coronavirus, then chances are I'm not going to get very sick very quick and anyway. But if it's a bacterium and not a virus, I wonder if they would tell you that. If they would say, yes, you have a bacteria and not a virus. If it's treated as a bacteria, it can be treated relatively quickly. And they're shooting down the idea that it could be a bacteria because Big Pharma is fixing to make loads and loads and loads of money off of this cure for the virus. If it's a bacteria, there's already cures out there and they're losing billions of dollars. So, having said that, think about this. When you go to the doctor to get checked for a coronavirus test or the coronavirus, ask the doctor if it is a bacteria instead of a virus. If they tell you it's the coronavirus, ask them if it's a bacteria instead. And also ask them that if it is possible that you don't even have the coronavirus, if you've gotten over a cold recently, remember to ask them that. This is going to be a really quick video. I just wanted to bring this up that Italy has possibly found that this could be a bacteria and not a virus. Now, I'm not saying they have. I'm saying it's very possible that they could have figured this out by doing autopsies on patients when the World Health Organization has told them not to do that. They've told everybody not to do any autopsies on anybody when they die from the coronavirus. I don't know why they would have said that unless they've got something to hide, unless they're in on the whole deal. So if you have any thoughts that you want to put into this video, that's fine. Put them in the comments below, and I'll chat with you about it. If you give me a thumbs up, I appreciate that. That's great. If you want to subscribe, that's great too. Hit the subscribe button. Now, for those that want to thumb down my video because they think they're stupid videos, or because they think I'm stupid, or they're angry with me, and I know a couple of people that could be doing this, but I'm not going to name any names. I just want you to know that you're actually hurting yourself and not me. A thumbs down on my video doesn't bother me like I thought it was going to. Not everybody's going to like everything, but thumb it down because you don't like the content, or because you don't like the way the video was done. Don't thumb it down just because you don't like me, because you don't really know me that well. I'm going to let you go on that note. Remember, let's make tomorrow better than yesterday by doing the very best we can today. Have a good afternoon, America, and all points beyond.